suck your blood.
I believe you. Tell me that again, wait.
They suck your blood.
Who does? Speak up. Tell me real loud. The what kind of sharks? Hammerhead?
Yeah.
Tell me.
About it?
Yeah.
They suck your blood.
How?
They bite. They bite. They suck your blood up and bite. They bite first, and then their teeth get very, very dirty. Blood, like blood on it. They get very, very dirty with blood on it. And when the sharks bite some people in the ocean and in the water, they could bite them, then they could bite and suck your blood up, and they could try. It's taking a while. Try the
What kind of shark is that?
hammerhead.
It bites you and then sucks your blood.
Yeah, then it.
How come they don't call it a vampire shark?
'Cause I don't know. We're so Tweety Bird.
You saw Tweety Bird?
Do you know what hummingbirds do? They stick here. They stick their whole long beak in there. Then they suck the juice out. I saw a real baby hummingbird in our yard